Hello students, welcome back to MGC Learning. Let us continue chapter number 10 of chemistry, that is halogen derivatives. This is part 4. Students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about what are halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, classification of halogen derivatives and nomenclature of halogen derivatives. So, today we will study what are the different methods of preparation of alkyl halide. Let us start with the methods of preparation of alkyl halide. In this, we can prepare alkyl halide by three different methods. The first one, that is from alcohol. In this, we can prepare alkyl halide from alcohol by using three different reagents. Like here, first method. In this, we can prepare alkyl halide by reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halide. This hydrogen halide may be a HCl, HBr or HI. The next one, reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halide. This phosphorus halide, it may be a PX3, that is phosphorus trihalide, and phosphorus pentahalide. The last one is preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol by reaction with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. The next method of preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon, that is it may be alkane and alkene. Here addition of hydrogen halide, that is HX, to alkene gives alkyl halide. But different type of alkyl halide products are formed based on Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule. And the last method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alkyl halide. Pay attention, we are going to prepare alkyl halide from alkyl halide only. This is halogen exchange method. In this, we are going to discuss two name reaction, that is Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Here, Finkelstein reaction is used for the preparation of alkyl iodide, while Schwarz reaction is used for the preparation of alkyl fluoride. Let us discuss each method of preparation of alkyl halide in detail. Now students, here is the first method of preparation of alkyl halide, that is from alcohol. This is the most widely used method of preparation of alkyl halide. In this reaction, the hydroxyl group of alcohol can be replaced by halogen atom. You can observe here, this is the general formula of alcohol. So from alcohol, the hydroxyl group is replaced by halogen and it forms the alkyl halide. We can replace this hydroxyl group of alcohol by halogen by using three different reagents, that is hydrogen halide, that is HX, phosphorus halide PX3, PX5, and thionyl chloride or sulfonyl chloride, that means SOCl2. Students, one thing we have to remember during this formation of alkyl halide from alcohol, if we are using any of this reagent for this preparation, one thing is common in all the preparation, that is OH of alcohol is replaced by halogen. Let us start reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halide. Alcohol can be converted into haloalkane by treatment with halogen acid, that is hydrogen halide. But the rate of reaction depends on nature of alcohol and halogen acid. The condition for reaction of alcohol with halogen acid depends on the structure of the alcohol and particular halogen acid used. Let us talk about order of reactivity of alcohol with a given halo acid. That is, tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol and secondary alcohol is more reactive than the primary alcohol. Here I have shown three alcohols, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. In this, OH group is bonded to this carbon atom and this carbon is known as alpha carbon atom. So the carbon to which hydroxyl group is directly bonded, that carbon is alpha carbon atom. So this is the alpha carbon atom, here is also alpha, and this one is also alpha carbon atom. In the primary alcohol, one alkyl group is bonded to alpha carbon of alcohol. In secondary alcohol, two alkyl groups are bonded to this alpha carbon atom of alcohol, and in tertiary alcohol, three alkyl groups are bonded to this alpha carbon atom of alcohol. In this tertiary alcohol, three alkyl groups are present. That means in between this primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are having more number of alkyl groups. These alkyl groups are electron releasing group. As greater is the number of electron releasing group on these alpha carbon atoms, that increases the polarity of carbon dash OH bond. As a result, the cleavage or breaking of the C-O bond becomes easy, and that increases the reactivity of tertiary alcohol. So, tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary, and secondary alcohol is more reactive than the primary alcohol. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halide on alcohol is hydrogen iodide is more reactive than HBr, and HBr is more reactive than HCl. Generally, HF is less reactive. Why this is happen? This is due to the bond dissociation energy of Hi is less than HBr and HCl. What is this bond dissociation energy? Bond dissociation energy is the energy to break the chemical bond. Here, bond dissociation energy of Hi is less than that of HBr and HCl. Therefore, reactivity of hydrogen iodide is more than that of HBr and HCl. This is the general reaction of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol and halogen acid. As the method is same, where from alcohol OH group is replaced by halogen and forms the alkyl halide. Let us see about the reaction of alcohol with halogen acid, that is hydrogen halide. Alkyl chlorides are prepared by reacting alcohols with a Lucas reagent. What is this Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. Here is the reaction of alcohol with hydrogen chloride, which is same as given here. In this, alcohol reacts with hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, forms alkyl chloride and water. What is the role of this zinc chloride? Zinc chloride is not only dehydrating agent, but it also helps in breaking the carbon dash oxygen bond over here. This zinc chloride is Lewis acid, that is electron acceptor. Zinc chloride radially coordinates with this oxygen of alcohol, and that results the carbon dash oxygen bond becomes weak. And finally, breaking of this carbon dash oxygen bond and forms the carbocation. This carbocation then radially reacts with chlorine and forms the alkyl halide. This is the example of primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. As OH is bonded to this primary carbon atom, that's why this is primary alcohol. The compound name is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol on reaction with HCl in presence of zinc chloride, the product will be, guess what is the product? The OH of alcohol is replaced by Cl. So product is ethyl chloride. You can observe here OH is replaced by Cl and forms the chloroethane and water. Here is the example of secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol, in which OH is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. This propane 2-ol on reaction with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives isopropyl chloride or a 2-chloropropane and water. Here is also same pattern. OH of this isopropyl alcohol is replaced by chlorine. And the third example of tertiary alcohol. Here tertiary alcohol's example is 2-methyl propane 2-ol or tertiary butyl alcohol. On reaction with HCl, Without using zinc chloride, we will get a product that is tertiary butyl chloride, or we can say 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. The process is same over here. The OH of this tertiary alcohol is replaced by chlorine. Students, observe these three reactions properly. For the reaction of primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, we required anhydrous zinc chloride. But for the tertiary alcohol, reaction will take place in absence of zinc chloride, because tertiary alcohols are more reactive than the secondary and the primary alcohol. When this primary and secondary alcohol on reaction with HCl in presence of zinc chloride forms alkyl halide, this process is called as Grove's process. After the reaction of alcohol with hydrogen chloride, let us see the reaction of alcohol with HBr, that is hydrogen bromide. Alkyl bromide are prepared by heating the alcohol with concentrated hydrobromic acid, that is hydrogen bromide. Constant boiling hydrobromic acid is used for the preparing alkyl bromides. HBr, being unstable, is prepared by treating NaBr with concentrated sulfuric acid in C2. C2 means within the reaction or during the reaction. Let us discuss the reaction of primary alcohol and HBr. Here the primary alcohol is ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol on reaction with NaBr and concentrated H2SO4 results the formation of ethyl bromide. As HBr is unstable, which is prepared by treating NaBr and concentrated H2SO4 in C2, that is during the reaction itself. Here is the example of secondary and tertiary alcohol. In case of secondary and tertiary alcohol, dilute H2SO4 is used instead of concentrated H2SO4, because this concentrated H2SO4 dehydrates these alcohols into alkene. So we have to use dilute H2SO4 for the case of secondary and tertiary alcohol. Here is the example of secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol on reaction with HBr forms the secondary halide. So this is the example of secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol on reaction with HBr. By using NaBr and dilute H2SO4, it forms the isopropyl bromide. The process is same over here. In both the reaction for primary and secondary, OH of the alcohol is replaced by Br. The next one is tertiary alcohols example. The example of tertiary alcohol is 2-methyl propane 2-ol on reaction with HBr gives tertiary butyl bromide. The process is same again. OH of the alcohol is replaced by Br. The next reaction is the reaction of alcohol with hydrogen iodide. Yield of alkyl iodides may be obtained by heating the alcohol with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. Here Hi is also unstable, so it is degenerated during the reaction. Here is the general reaction. Alcohol, when it is reacts with or on reaction with Hi, by using sodium iodide and phosphoric acid, it results the formation of alkyl iodide and water.